In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Wrike. Dashboards can help streamline your workflow, organize critical information, and give you a snapshot of your projects at any given time. Let's dive in and get started. First, you need to log in to your Wrike account. Navigate to the Wrike website and click on the Login button situated on the top right of the screen. This will prompt you to choose how you'd like to authenticate. For today's process, we'll be using a Google account to log in. So go ahead and click on Google and choose the account you want to use. This is a convenient feature because it allows seamless access without the need for remembering additional passwords. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main workspace. Move your attention to the left panel of your screen and look for the More option. Clicking here will open up additional options that you can choose from. We're specifically interested in creating a dashboard, so the next step is to click on Dashboards. This is where the magic happens. Creating and customizing dashboards allows you to get the real-time visibility of all your projects and tasks in one visual layout tailored to your team's needs. Now, when you're inside the dashboards, you have a variety of setup options. One of the first customizations you might consider is changing the dashboard's layout. Click on Change Layout to switch between the horizontal and vertical view, depending on your preference for how information is presented. This can greatly affect how easily you navigate your data. Next, we'll add some key parameters. By clicking on Add Parameters, you can set up filters to catch the data you want displayed on your dashboard. Wrike allows you to finely tune these filters so your dashboard reflects current active tasks, deadlines, or any specifics relevant to your projects. Take some time to experiment with these to see what best serves your team's needs. Filtering ensures that what you're seeing is always relevant and up to date. Finally, let's look at how to rename and export your dashboard. Over on the top right of the dashboard, there's an icon consisting of 3 dots. If you click on this icon, you will see options to rename the dashboard to help organize each one according to its purpose or audience. You'll also find the export button here, allowing you to share the dashboard's insights with colleagues or stakeholders who may not be using Wrike. Now that you've set up your dashboard, you're ready to use it as an agile and efficient tool for your team's project management needs. With dashboards, you can monitor progress, allocate resources, and keep everyone aligned. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful, and I encourage you to explore the various features Wrike's dashboards offer to fit your project management style.